Hey, what's up, Theta Network? So this is the latest news of Theta Network. It massive jump, my friend, after a very long time. You can see here this time, massive jump. But the previous days, my friends, change occur will be negative, and completely Theta Network price is in the decrease now and completely and lost. But after a very long time, Theta is starting moving upward. So congratulations, everyone. So Theta is starting moving upward. I tell you, my friends, in the future, can price change into positive or not, and there is option to upcoming times they move upward or not. Everything I discuss you, but kindly before I get start this video, I just request you to like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing. You can see here the last 1 hour chart is on the screen. First of all, I just give you the news, the update. You can see here plus 0.35% the price will be changed into profit. You can see here it's mid to upcoming time the price is also moving upward because the direction is moving upward, and this is massive jump, my friend, massive jump. What a big change, my friends. You can see here the price change into 10.14 USD dollar. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time they will hit just it only, my friend, at the end of month. I hope, my friends, they're going to be very bright, and absolutely I tell you after the last 24 hours today will hit, my friends, 15 USD dollar or not. So let's see this time. If you can see the last 24-hour chart is already on the screen, and this is, you can see here, and the change occur, oh my goodness, plus 11.56% the price change occur. What a big profit, my friend. You can see here 10.44 USD dollar. It's mean to just only, my friend, at the last 20 hour they change 0.5 USD dollar. It's possible, my friend, to upcoming time they will hit just only at the end of month 15 USD dollar. So if they change to 15 USD dollar, then my brother, congratulations, you are a millionaire. They will make you millionaire. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time, my brother. Wait for a good time. I hope the price will be changed into positive, and they will give you a very good profit. So thank you so much. I hope you understand. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Please like this video, subscribe this channel.